chinchin di sika befie. Ye be pieni akwa bonti ako chinchin di sika befie. Ye pe sika befie. Hello people, this your darling boy Kwaku Darling, aka Holy Boy, aka sika befie, aka sika kankan. Keep watching Dan Kwaku Yeboah TV. Don't go anywhere. Holy Boy.
Sometimes I laugh when them say I can do more. You don't know me, but you don't say she can hold me. Listen, if I'm not a can today, who was I can tomorrow? We need change at once. I said, you know, be my landlord. How come say you won't make a give me advance? This Nigerian funds and the artists in the rundown. Charlie, I said, no, be from my compound. Every day for thief, one day for a barrel. Don't try shut down, I'll let you go ahead. Fuck your bad. You got to say, I don't care. Fuck you, come up for that. You won't fight me. The truth and the lie, you won't fight it. You not surprise me, cause they say me they bring keep rising. Yeah. How many times did they come Ghana? All in the name of love. How many times did they cross border? All in the name of God. As they come, we see them. Conference center, radio, hear them. Shout out to rappers, who them? You say man they change, we see them. Every day competition and they sing past me, foolish. Music no be what get for students. Fuck yourself. Don't try shut down, let it go ahead. Fuck your bad. You got to say I know they care. Fuck you, come up for that. Some people they don't know say everybody and every country and every place and them are culture. You understand me? If you make lucky today, say today somebody they listen your music, don't think say another musician no go come out. What are the talk? Make people listen sense. I say if you feel say you be musician, when you can't hit, or if you say another musician no go can hit past you like that, then you no get sense. I tell you, today from Nigeria, tomorrow they go be for Ghana. Next time Sierra Leone, next time Ghana. You know go be forever, my guy. Yeah, listen, you get the Bible inside. Everything for this world shall pass. Unless the word of God. In that thing we go stay. So make nobody think stupid like that. I can't talk say Ghanaians, they know they sing some way. Ghanaians, we get culture. We get culture. When our culture things they inside. When our culture things they inside. Accept our culture, cause we accept your culture. Don't come and date there and come and talk, say, we know they do music and they know they do. Fuck you, man, nigga. Listen song. God. Sometimes I laugh when them say I they do more. You don't know me, but you say she can hold you. Listen, if I'm not a can today, who was a can tomorrow? We need change at once. I said, you know, be my landlord. How come say you won't give me advance? This Nigerian funds and the artists in the rundown. Charlie, I said, no, be from my compound. Every day for thief, one day for a barrel. Don't try shut down, I'll let you go ahead. Fuck your bad. You got to say I know they care. Fuck you, come up for that. You won't fight me. The truth and the lie, you won't fight it. You not surprise me, cause they say me they bring keep rising. How many times did they come Ghana? All in the name of love. How many times did they cross border? All in the name of God. As they come, you see them. Conference center, radio, hear them. Shout out to rappers, who them? You say mommy change, you see them. Every day competition and they sing past me, foolish. Every day they go to talk and the way and when I industry put to Aiko when I industry, I cool. Because if you post every day, monk, you understand me? Because if you don't know your culture, you don't know what kind of music your country they like. When you go to promote that to the world, then you want me to watch somebody in country music because some shouts to all the engineers, where they play beat for Ghana. All of you they try. Don't even stress yourself. All of you, so far as you get hits for Ghana, from one time where I won't do music where they start, from everybody try. But it be so, the word inside, if you did where you say go lose focus, go lose track, because somebody talk say, Charlie, it be this way, it be this thing. Charlie, we nothing know they go on for we apart from God. You know if you tell say it be this they go on, you they lie, come up for there, only Jimmy kwa shout dollar tan from me. God. Sometimes I laugh when they say I do love. You don't know me, but you say shit about me. Listen, if another can today, who will I can tomorrow? We need change at once. I said, you know, my land now. Every day, You know what? Sometimes it is funny me for like this country inside. We see how when our politicians they fight me, the country be well for we. So now if you watch Parliament, see the way they fight for them every time. They fight because they need change. Make I tell you something, If you see anybody where it be a rich person, that person, you know, they fear to solve problem. If you see anybody where be rich person, I say that person, you know, they fear to solve problem. Because when you solve problem, that's where you get your good results. Solving problem, be some of us wanna problem. Because we know they feel solve problem. Problem they worry you, we know they feel solve them. Bad man, don't do that. I don't got to tell you, don't do that. Listen to song. Sometimes I laugh when them say I do more. You don't know me, but you say she can hold me. Listen, if another come today, who will come tomorrow? We need change at once. I say you know me, my land now come say to make a advance. This like he ain't and all this thing run down. Charlie, I say maybe from my compound. Every day for thief, one day for a buyer. Don't follow me, don't try to call it. Ohio, don't follow me, don't follow me. Fuck your man, Ohio, don't follow me, don't follow me. You got to say I never again. Ohio, don't follow me, don't follow me. Fuck you, come up for there. So you won't fight me. The truth that they thought you won't fight it. You know surprise. Yeah. How many times did they come Ghana? All in the name of love. How many times did they cross border? All in the name of love. I say they come, we see them. Conference center, they kill them. Shout out to rappers, who them? You say what they change, we see them. Every day competition and they sing past me, foolish. Music no be what get for students. Fuck yourself, you go borrow, don't try shut down when you go borrow, fuck your bed, you go be say I didn't American, fuck you, come up again, don't try shut down when you go fuck your man, you go be say I didn't American. Fuck you, come up again. No, everybody gets a doctor. They say I can be for Ghana, but we don't go nation. I can. If you like to say good music, do you know good music? If you like to say keep pushing. Do you know what we pushing? Fuck! All of the time say nothing. I got everyone people. But you don't know say many people. Surprise, you will be the enemy for life. For your friends they will slide, for the God they will hide. Careful, I can't forget it. My brother be back, I touch it. Me another day, you don't love me. I can't be fast, so you love me. Shout out to Kenya, Rwanda, Zimbabwe, so people touch it. Shout out to South Africa, Sierra Leone, Liberia, people touch it. And I thought you say, everybody can do business for you. So why would you refuse business for them? You're a one-way shooter. You come here, we go there, you go there. Charlie can tell you, Ghana people tire, you understand me? Ghana accept, they say we tire. They don't tell you. Because how come they play us once for you, you know they play us once for them. Charlie, if they bend them, they will tell you, they have to tell you the fact. You understand me? Show them the way. Don't show me the way, because I know my ways for them. Shut up. Life done. Nobody comes to fear you. The fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. The fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. The fear of Jehovah is the beginning of wisdom. See, make I tell anybody where they watch me from anywhere right now, from anywhere in the world, make I tell you something. If you want to be my friend, you got to be truthful. If you ain't truthful, you can fucking be my friend, my nigga, because me, I be fucking real, like sea sand. I be fucking real, like salt. I be real, like sugar. I be real, like anything good talk say be real. I be real like that. I be real like car. I be real like ship. I be real like airplane. Don't see me like that. Don't see me like that. If you see me like that, go get out like that. Because if you so you see me. Don't see me like that. Don't try like that. I tell you people something. You understand me? All those things where people they talk for people in my brain, where they confuse people in my brain. This song, go change in my brain. Bad man, don't come see like that. Say because you today your song they hit for the world. So it's bad man. Michael Jackson said boy, see they sing to die, my nigga. Don't see like that. Don't see. You know they see the thing they go on for the world. You know they see it. Don't say like that. If they talk, say, you they come here, they can't do business. We know if you do business for you there. But if you say, if they come with the welcome, they can't do business for you. We say, be easy thing. I know talk, say, make a fly go Nigeria, go do promotion for them. I don't need Nigeria promotion for anything. If Nigeria feel say they no go promotion at Awale, fuck it. I don't need Nigeria promotion for anything. Bad man. As the people see things where we do for Nigerian artists. Again, Nigerian artists can't talk, say, I can't Nigeria, I can't visit them for your house. And then they chop biscuit like that, man, nigga. No see like that. If you see like that, you get down like that. No see like that. Don't even try like that. Don't even think like that. Because if you think like that, you get down like that. No try like that. My nigga. We did that way we talk about business, you want to talk shit, bullshit, and shit. And Ghana, the song where they sing Ghana. Oh, shit, how many of your rappers go fit Sako there? How many of your rappers go fit Amrado? How many of your rappers, you know, rappers crazy, my boy Chimmy, he crazy. How many of your rappers go fit my blood medical? How many? They got to drop drill. Niggas start drop drill before Ghana rappers start drop drill. My nigga, no see like that, no see like that. Don't come talk, see, man for do good music, man for and Ghana artists know they do good music. No see like that. How you want me to see them? Maybe you can say, order. One country be different, the culture be different. One culture, you know, be like what people they do for them. People want to do fine boy thing, but one culture be wicked. Ghana music culture be wicked. Share. You want to go tell people where they maybe some place like Burundi or something. Say because of the way Burundi put it. Masa no see like that in my culture. Get the fuck shut up. Keep quiet, small boy. Keep quiet, shut up, boy. Can't talk see the type of music. Do you know what type of music be? Well, Salificator them they blow flute and saxophone and things like they take one Grammy. No, not see like that. Don't be stupid. Don't talk like that. These Nigerian fans, you go, if you can't the internet up and they talk bullshit, nonsense, nonsense thing, nonsense. If you say what? Yes, it's your time today. Enjoy. But tomorrow will be another man's turn. Don't see like that. Don't see I can talk say and what. If man they talk something, you know the year. Do you know how many times this our industry people they feel talk negative about what you guys are doing? We see like, yeah, we have a culture. We have a culture that we also, cherish so much. Bad man, no see like that. No see like that. When it comes down, so say, no see like that. Ghana, it is soakings. You people for accept the soakings. Gary, Nido. Maybe you go put biscuits small for inside. Our body has to be so biscuits small, granite small, sugar small. It is soakings. When I industry, it is soakings. Take them like that, soakings, Gary. Don't come see like that way you do your own. You do want chocolate. You want me to go chocolate. Ghana will be soakings. Soakings. We get rappers, we get singers, we get everything for inside the music industry, inside where we do. When I industry, here the discussion, it be soakings. Soakings. Put cap for down. It be another material. Cap, the cap self we go put for down. It be another material. It be another talent. You put water for inside. It be another talent. Gary, it be another talent. Sugar, it be another talent. Nido, it be another talent. You go fit choose. Add granite, it be another talent. Then maybe add biscuits, maybe bonbon or cream crackers or something where they fit chew. Go fit add donut self to the Gary. It is so soakings. So with the chopper. I can't talk say then we want a music industry. You put they do chocolate, we see. Because every time, and the love, and my love, and your love, and she say, we understand, it be chocolate. We just do soakings, accept them. I say, Nigeria, you put in the chop Gary, you know the chop soakings for them. You know what make man bring soakings, they can't sell for you, like you put in the drink soakings. We all be Africans. It's not the fault for Nigeria. It's not the fault for Nigeria, my God. It's not the fault for Nigeria. We be brothers and sisters, uncles and aunties. Or if you say what? Go check history of Ghana. The history of the gas. The family from Nigeria. Me, my generation from Nigeria. Forget everything. If you don't see Fela Kuti for in a long time, he is back. This is him. Accept it or forget it. Not see all like that. Otherwise, you will get all like that. People say you want chocolate for this season. We say no problem. But we just chop soakings. Or you know the season, if they do show, they refuse do show, then Saturday go can rap, then Stoneboy go can do dance, then maybe somebody go can sing, Kwabna go can sing, then maybe some girl go can do some dance. If it's soakings, that be our industry day. Soakings. You people your show, this one go come. My love and your love, the next one will come. The girl, the way you do, every time, girl, we understand. We be so nice, yes. Nobody people go show we love. You know, get love past we. If you get love past we, you go to promote you for there. We will show you love. But we the suckings, where will they take show you love? Suckings. You possess the chocolate. You know, if you give you chocolate, you can't be there, can't they talk, say, listen song again, bumbo.
Sometimes I laugh. When they say everything love, you don't know you, but you say she don't know you. If another come today, we go come tomorrow, we change at once. I say you know be my landlord, now come say for me can give you the advance. It's like the airport, all this is in London. Charlie, I said you mama compound, every day for tea, one day for a bar of pepper. Don't try shut our ego. Fuck your bad. You got to say I didn't know again. Fuck you, come up again. So you won't fight me. The truth that they talk, you won't fight it. You don't surprise me, cause I show you the bring. Christ Father. All in the name of soul. As they come, you see them. Conference center, hey, give them. Shout out to rappers, who them? You say man they change to see them. Every day competition and they sing past me, they sing past me. Foolish. Music no be one get for students. Fuck yourself. You know my don't judge your knowledge in your head. Fuck your bad.
Sometimes the pain we say, you know, say them when I industry too, people will sit radio and TV and talk, and our artists they know they travel, and our artists they know they travel. Massa, you know be travel where they bring, you make your music hit, oh. You know be travel. Come on for that. Can't take the artists they know they travel. Make you travel do what? No, make you travel do what? If you know be important, why man for travel? Mu per plane dudu, mu per airport ni visa dudu, hamo dudu, sadie na hamo, and no we too kind, we too kind. You boy, they see the results of we too kind. The artists always they travel. What be the results? Nail. Industry artist nail. Industry artist can't take them if you say they go school too much, then they do things, then they do. Hey, may I tell you something? Me, what are they talk? Me and nobody they quarrel. Me and nobody they fight. If the business matter they talk. It be me, my line of business where they talk. Say, but how come people know the fee promote by the fee do this? No. Then me, if you say my fans for Ghana, I hold them tight. And that's why they hold my fans tight. That's why they hold my fans very tight. Because here I say, no, Charlie, if I go to do show with my fans go to come, then the way somebody brag say Nigerians get fans. Yo, fuck it. These are my fucking Nigerian fans. You know, so fuck it. Fuck Nigeria, man. Like, I don't have anything to do in Nigeria. I know that I did disrespect Nigeria, but yeah, that's what I said. Like, you know, understand. You see, I did this Nigeria, so you will come. Who is the shutter? Come on for that. Shut up there. Are you a musician? Have you written one book and one line before? Do you know how to hold a guitar? Or play your face like bass drum. Look at your face. And you want to insult my face? Me, I know my face is like a whole generating plant for Africa. I understand. But your face and your dream, it doesn't tally with your character and your behavior. It's very foolish that a musician will be talking and then somebody that is not a musician but like typing on the internet also want to talk. Don't be stupid. Not see her like that. Otherwise you go get her like that. You understand me? When somebody they talk sense, listen. And they do business. Here they talk. Check most African countries. They fight for parliament. Hey, they fight. Hey, they take chair. They throw. They do. Yeah. That one I know they say it be disrespect. They fight. It's not disrespect. It's fighting for your right. Fighting for the right cause. Fighting for change. That is what is the problem. But if man they talk because men are not thinking and are planning for their future. They talk just nonsense because, yes, just for the day. Let me just say this for the day. I've said it. I've told Shatta Wale. You have told your mother. Don't see her like that. Eh? Hear the talk. Don't see her like that. Otherwise, you go get them like that. You understand me? Let's wise up. When somebody they talk, don't talk quickly like that. If you talk like that, it means say you are a fool. When somebody talk, think. What the person talking? Why you talking? I've been a musician. Why they talk, see, we they promote Nigerians for it. They know they promote our songs for them. Why? That one is the problem. You will find some stupid people for Ghana to go to say, shut up, hey, Charlie Badman, make I tell you something. You know, everything play outside, everything play outside. You see me, the way I make okay, I'm too okay, Charlie. The way I make okay, I'm too okay. The things that be funny me. Hey, but what are the need for music inside again? Say I want to buy a house. But man, I'm too okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm too okay. You see, so when I tire, I want stuff, wear jewelry, I buy some. Or everything I buy some. Don't see I'm like that too. Otherwise you will get them like that. You see me, I had to wake up like that, and you know me still, strong ghetto youth, yes, fighting for a good cause, my nigga. You understand what I'm saying? I'm too okay, my nigga. No sound like that. Who no come, they can't impress somebody, can't flex somebody, can't show somebody anything. Man, we are living the realest of fucking life, and life is paying us back so sweetly and righteously. Forget everything, my nigga. Speak the truth. Learn how to speak the truth. Stop lying to yourself. Stop following people because of something. I don't know what that something. I don't know whether if you cutting or something. I don't. Stop following people because of. Stop following people because of. Follow people because of truth. Me, I don't want to make nobody follow me because if you say, I don't know. Don't follow me just like that. Follow me and listen to the things that they talk. If it touch you, it tally with your life. Let's roll, my nigga. We're gonna make it together, my nigga. That's me. But don't follow me and feel say you won't check my fault. You know if you check my fault, you know be my fitter. You do body waste for me before. The person who creates this my body for me, he do my body waste. Forget yourself. You know if you even body work my brain. Don't see them like that. One man they talk wisdom, sometimes make people understand. Sometimes you go see me like this. But yeah, here they talk. God go open heaven and God will talk say, shut up, choose the people where they will go heaven. Right now go to the hey God. God self go blame them. You people, God self go blame them. Because you don't know who be God. You don't know when God sends somebody even to come rescue you. You don't even know. Because all your mind is somewhere. You think somewhere. You did the word inside, but you don't know who bring you here. Don't blind your eye. Don't blind your eye. The world, you know, be anybody you own. God bring you come here for a purpose. Look for that purpose, and that purpose comes with truth. Truth.
Ye be pieni akwa bonten akochinchin di sika be fie ye pe sika be fie. Hello people, this your darling boy Kwaku Darling neke hori boy ke sika be fie ke sika kankan. Keep watching Dan Kwaku Yeboah TV. Don't go anywhere. Hori ba grip.
The artist, so I don't know who foolish pass me. Me a fool pass everybody. You know the reason why I'm fool? Because people feel say they fool. So me, my own, it be special. When I laugh with people, when I play, oh yeah, what's up, Charlie? Yeah. When I at this stage, yeah, I do my work again. But I see when you show me, say you fool, you won't show me foolishness. Oh, I will show you nice foolishness. Because if you say, as you walk, everybody for your face is fool. So anybody you go see, you go talk to 1 minute, bad man, I go talk to you anyway, anyhow. I will tell you anything where I think for my head right now. I no go think twice. Because yeah, as you alone, you work for the one inside. You won't just make people see say you are a foolish, and so you know a foolish who is a foolish. So less foolish and see who will be a foolish. See foolish. See, I'm using the foolish word foolishly because sometimes foolish people think foolishly and want to live a foolish life. So when they meet sensible people, they can't even think sense. They listen, no, they can't. Manega. So they bring out their foolishness. But man, somebody go feel wear coat and tie and everything. Don't do them. No see like that. When you receive them the way you go receive them, go receive it the way. But if you don't receive, it will show you life. They can't talk. Say, then if you talk truth, then some stupid people they won't find something under the truth and talk. No, but shut up. But they do promotion like my nigga. You did my house. You did my world. Computer pass me. See, this is my studio. My studio this. My studio. Ask anybody. Me and if you fix all my machines like this. Cause I go ask them say they will fix all my machines now. Nigga, we know they play thing. No say like fall in love. Computer, normal computer, gadgets. Gadgets said they fall in love. No see I'm like that. See this thing, and the way, look at the way. I don't like the way he talk. I don't like the way he talk. I don't like. Am I talking to you? Did I even ask you to even come here and come and be talking to me? Because I don't even know you. Me and you get problem, but you did some place you talking. I don't like the way you don't like the way I talk. You don't like the way I talk. What's the way you talk? Because I don't know it from anywhere. You want to talk to me anyhow. Massa, make I tell you something. Sometimes internet way you go make man they talk some way, you go talk some way. But let me just advise you. If you can't be truthful to life, life will never be truthful to you. And another thing that I want to repeat and say again. When you see a rich man, no see, that person likes solve problem. If you are scared to solve problems, forget it in life to be successful. If you are scared to solve problems, forget it in life. Forget it, my nigga. I'll tell you something. All those Ghanaians where you to that disease catch you small, if they talk to you, if you change from your ways. It'll be 2022 with it. In 2022, it'll be good year. Change your ways and watch the miracles from God. If you don't change your ways, you go first say you go live some life just anyhow. Bad man, the life you go live on for the internet top. The real world is out there. People are making tons of money. People are cashing out. That's how they talk. Somebody they cash out. That's what it is. Don't get there and up to now. You install Shatawale and Shatawale get money past your whole entire family. You install Shatawale, Shatawale make time. You still did there, they install Shatawale. If you say you go make them, I'm not sure say you go even reach there. Then make them. You not go reach there. You not go reach there because your mind all they say anything be foolish for you. You go school, Mr. Book Long. You know how to talk to people. You know how people have to talk. Because as I come right now, we are in talk, no? As I talk, you don't like the way I'm talking because I'm talking from my nose. Because you know how to solve that problem in my nose. Come and solve it. Nose fitter. You are very foolish.
Ye be pieni akwa bonten akochinchin di sika be fie ye pe sika be fie. Hello people, this your darling boy Kwaku Darling neke hori boy ke sika be fie ke sika kankan. Keep watching Dan Kwaku Yeboah TV, don't go anywhere. Hori ba grip ye